Hi guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today I am at Rockbridge State Nature Preserve, and my friend Christine came up. Christine is a big supporter of our channel, so I just had to come out today and meet her, and we're gonna hike this one and maybe possibly one or two more, according to how we feel later.
Yeah, depends on how my knees hold up.
Come along, we're gonna show you the natural bridge. This is a beautiful place to hike. Alright guys, so that was Rockbridge State Nature Preserve and the natural bridge. That's a loop, so it's about 2 miles long. It's a pretty nice little loop. You get one big hill in, one big hill out. What'd you think, Chris?
I loved it. It was beautiful. I could come back again sometime.
So now we are off to Rockstalls Nature Preserve, which is probably approximately 20 minutes from here, give or take. I didn't map it, so I'm not sure, but I know it's not very far. Come along, we're gonna go to another one and show you the waterfalls down there. Hopefully it's running. The waterfalls wasn't running here today, but we haven't had a lot of rain recently. But usually it's still running at Rockstalls. Come along. Alright guys, so we made it to Rockstalls Nature Preserve. This is our second one for the day. Chris lives a little ways away, so she wants to make the best of her day. So we're gonna go do this one. This one is a really nice one. I think it is about another 2 miles, but maybe a mile out and a mile back. It's a pretty easy one. It's a nice one for almost anyone to do. And you get a waterfall at the end. Come along. Alright guys, so whenever you get to all these steps going down, that's when you know you're almost to the end, almost to the waterfalls. So what do you think so far, Chris?
This is beautiful. Yes, I love it.
Ohio has some beautiful nature preserves.
Yes, they do.
The only thing about them though is they're generally on small pieces of land, so you don't get no switchbacks or anything. It's either straight up or straight down. But this one's not terrible, would you say?
No, it's not.
Of course, we're going all downhill because it's downhill down in. We're going to do the rough part on the way out. So when we got to the bottom of the steps over there, temperature probably dropped a good 20 degrees. It's a humid day out, but it is actually pretty comfortable down here. When you say, Chris? So for it to be a hot day out, it's temperature down in this hole is really nice. So if you want a good place to go on a hot day, this is probably a good option. And it's absolutely beautiful. All right, now for the dreaded hike up the steps. There must be, I would guess, 100 steps here.
Probably easy.
And me and steps don't get along real well.
They're not steep though.
They're not
you have a
steep,
railing.
and you have a railing that you can hold on to. So that makes it a little bit nice.
Yes, it does.
And it's not a terrible hill out either, I don't think. Not that I remember anyway. I'll let you know at the top. Alright guys, so that was Rockstall Nature Preserve. I think Chris has decided she likes this one better.
Yes, I like them both, but this one's amazing. Yes.
And on a hot day, you can't beat it whenever you drop down in there and it cools off. It's like, and then you get 20 steps up on the way out and you're like, oh, there's the heat again. But all in all,
this is nice.
It's been a great morning. I think we've probably got pretty close to 4 miles in.
Doesn't seem like it.
It doesn't seem like it at all.
Yeah. Well, when we take 100 breaks.
We did take our time. We were talking a lot, but you know, you have that.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to get out of here. Thanks for joining us. We hope you liked the video. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and give us a thumbs up.
I already did.
We'll see you up the trail.